React is a powerful JavaScript library that's revolutionizing the way we build user interfaces. Imagine you're creating a dynamic web application. Instead of writing everything from scratch, React allows you to break your UI into reusable components. Think of components as building blocks. Each block can manage its own state and logic, making your code cleaner and easier to maintain. Let's dive into the core concept, the virtual DOM. When you make changes to your application, React doesn't immediately update the actual DOM. Instead, it creates a lightweight copy called the virtual DOM. This allows React to efficiently determine what has changed and only update those parts of the actual DOM. This process is called reconciliation, and it's what makes React super fast. Now, let's talk about state and props. State is like a component's memory. It holds data that can change over time, like user inputs or fetched data. Props, on the other hand, are how we pass data from one component to another. Think of props as the way components communicate with each other. They're read-only, which means a child component can't modify the props it receives. One of the coolest features of React is its ability to handle events. You can easily add interactivity to your components. For example, you can create a button that updates the state when clicked. This is done using event handlers, which are functions that respond to user actions. It's this interactivity that makes React applications feel alive. React also has a vibrant ecosystem. Libraries like React Router help manage navigation, while Redux or Context API can manage global state across your application. This means you can scale your app without losing control over your data flow. And let's not forget about hooks. Hooks are a game changer, allowing you to use state and other React features without writing a class. The most popular hook is useState, which lets you add state to functional components. There's also useEffect, which lets you perform side effects like fetching data or subscribing to events. In summary, React empowers developers to create dynamic, efficient, and interactive web applications. Its component-based architecture, efficient rendering with the virtual DOM, and robust ecosystem make it a go-to choice for modern web development. So whether you're building a simple app or a complex web platform, React has the tools you need to succeed.